Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking another old Greek photo. We're gonna put an old photo up on the screen from the 1800s and we're gonna talk about it. Talk about what's going on. Like I said, a lot of these photos come up on social media, in websites, and a lot of the times we're just like, no, that can't be real, or that's fake, that's photoshopped. Was there Photoshop back then? I'm not sure. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Check out this photo, the Erechtheion in 1860. A lot of you guys can probably say right off the bat, oh, back when all of them were together. You're wrong. It was the Caryatid was taken in the early 1800s before photography. Back in between 1800 and 1810, I believe it was taken. But it was replaced with a replica. So if you look carefully, front row, second from the left, is the one that was replaced by replica. In this photo, however, the other 5 are originals. However, if you've gone to the Acropolis in the last 50 years, none of them are original. I've mentioned this in some posts before, and people were taken aback. They're like, wait a second, I went and did this tour, paid for tickets just to see replicas? Well, back in 79, they were taken off the Acropolis, put into the museum to protect them from the elements, and there were 5 more replicas were installed. If you go to the current day Acropolis Museum, they have the 5 originals placed with a gap for the missing 6th, which is in the British Museum. But that's a conversation for another day. We're not going to get into that. Looking at more details in this photo, to the right you can see the wall was less complete, and then to the left, huge gap, huge opening, that is also completed nowadays. And to the right we have all that completed. Yeah, so this is the Erechtheion porch with the Carayatids and an incomplete wall. This is before any restorations had to be done. Nowadays this looks a lot better. Yes, there's replicas, but we're gonna have to live with that. And there you have it, 1860. Erechtheion on the Acropolis of Athens with 1 replica, 5 originals. Today, if you were to take this photo, you got 6 replicas, but a more complete temple. You can learn more about what happened with the Erechtheion. Just Google it, check it out. There's a lot of fascinating history with the Erechtheion on the Acropolis of Athens. All right, we'll talk to you guys in the next episode. Till then, hit like if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you want to see more of it. It helps the channel. Check us out, and I will show you another fascinating old photo of Greece on the next episode.